Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to set up name lock in realme phone. So let us start our video. You have to see here we already have realme mobile phone and this type of icon in your mobile phone. You have to see here, firstly you have to move up and see many more app icons shown in your mobile phone. You have to see here, firstly click on that setting icon, so click on here. After clicking on here, you have to see this type of icon in your mobile phone. You have to see here, and different icon plays different function in your mobile phone. You have to see here. Then you have to firstly move on the password and biometrics option. You have to see here. So if you want to set up name lock, so click on here, click on the set lock screen password option, wait for some second to continue this option. So click on the continue. Then you have to see this type of icons in your mobile phone. Click on a use a different password type option, click on here. If you want to set up name lock, so click on here. Now you have to enter your name lock like that, click on here. Then again verify your name lock in this way. After that, if you want to add fingerprint, click on add. I doesn't want, so click on cancel. When you have to click on the back option to unlock your screen, then again unlock in this way. Click on the show name lock. Name lock is set up on your mobile phone. So I hope this video helps you. So please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video.